Hi. Hello again. Haven't spoken for a while. Um, just about to harvest some beautiful ruby red potatoes. I bought them at IGA, the local supermarket, and they look really nice, really red, really burgundy, kind of a reddy burgundy colour. I forgot the name, but yeah, they're. Can't wait to harvest them. Usually, I'd pick them a lot later than this, once the stalks have totally flattened and the leaves have all died. But yeah, I just can't wait to get them out. Let's see if we can get some new potatoes.
Yes, I hope they're gonna get some. Oh wow! Found one. Found one.
Yeah.
I found one. A red potato. Oh, I'll dig them out for you because I'm good at digging them out. Oh look, a sweet potato. Potato! Oh,
Yep.
what the? Put them over here.
In that basket. Bring the basket here.
Okay, in that basket. That big, fat basket. Okay. Let's find some more.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
It's a beautiful, beautiful red
I'm trying
potato.
to find a potato. Wait, these ones. Wow! Potato! Potato! The easy that you can find. Potatoes. Ooh, potatoes! Let's get one. Potato! I found a small potato.
Yeah.
The purple. Sometimes these potatoes turn purple and brown and
Oh, I can feel them down here.
me too. Ooh, look at this. Cool. I got some.
Oh, it's beautiful soil.
Mm.
Must be a couple of varieties from last year.
I got another one.
Oh yeah.
Another one.
Pick them all out.
I got one. I got all the potatoes,
You
Daddy. Ooh, look at that one. You get it first. Oh, God.
Oh yeah, got another one.
Me too.
Beautiful red potatoes. Oh, look at you.
Ooh, look. Where did you find it? Found one?
Found something.
Oh, is it a potato? Whoa! Good. Hold on. Dee. Found two. Good. Found one, Dad. Yeah. I need a potato. Potato squeeze. Squeeze out the potatoes. Where is it?
There's some white potatoes in here too.
White potatoes? Let's go find them.
Yeah, the soil's just so fluffy. Look at that organic soil.
Yes. Organic soil. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pause it.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see, you know, out of a small bit of potatoes, it's maybe 1.5 by 2 meters, maybe that much, the bed. We've got at least 10 to 15 kilos of potatoes. Beautiful, beautiful potatoes.
Yes.
New potatoes. And that will last us for at least 3 months. You know, just for no effort
Hey,
at all.
Wiggly Worm, you want to eat this?
What a beautiful, beautiful thing. Now I'm going to get the bed ready and might put some sweet potatoes in. That'll be probably my next video after this one. Catch us later. Please like and subscribe, and I'll show you more gardening videos. Thank you.
Next time.